Creating a one-product Shopify store focuses on selling a single item or product line. Here's a concise guide. Sign up and choose a plan. Visit Shopify's website, sign up and choose a suitable plan for your one-product store. Access Shopify dashboard. After creating your account, you will enter the Shopify dashboard. Add your product. Click on the Products tab and then Add Product. Fill in the product details, including its name, description, images, and price. Set up payments. Configure your payment gateway to accept customer payments. Shopify offers various payment options like Shopify Payments, PayPal, and credit card processors. Select a theme. Choose a Shopify theme or template that suits your product and brand. Customize it to reflect your unique style. Customize your store. Customize your store's appearance, layout, and navigation. Add branding elements, including your logo and color scheme. Add product to homepage. Highlight your product on the homepage to grab visitors' attention. Use compelling images and persuasive copy. Set up domain. Register a domain name for your store or connect an existing one. Configure shipping. Set up shipping options and rates based on your product size, weight, and destination. Create legal pages. Add necessary legal pages such as terms of service, privacy policy, and refund policy to comply with e-commerce regulations. Test your store. Perform a thorough test of your store, including making a test purchase to ensure the checkout process works smoothly. Launch your store. Once you're satisfied, remove any under construction pages and officially launch your one-product Shopify store. Market your product. Use digital marketing strategies like social media advertising, content marketing, and email marketing to drive traffic to your store. Monitor and optimize. Continuously monitor your store's performance, analyze customer behavior, and optimize your site for conversions.